Hello, I have here a 2019 Topps Holiday box. It's a Walmart exclusive. There's 10 packs per box. One relic or autograph in each box. Cards are similar to the base Topps cards, just with the little holiday theme, and there are short prints that have candy canes and different pieces in there. So 10 cards per pack. Don't do a relic in this one. Alright, pack one. We got Max Kepler, J.D. Hammer, Patrick Corbin, Alex Verdugo, okay, David Peralta. Checking the backs to see, probably be upside down if it's the short print. Okay, this one, I don't know if you can tell the little metallic snowflake there. You can see the sparkle. Let me see. 5/7 base cards. Okay, so I'm guessing there's be in the middle there. Was a short print of any kind. Andrew Benintendi, Michael Conforto, Lane Thomas, and Hunter Pence. This is from, is it Topps Update? I can't remember. I do remember the picture because he's just trying to get his Gatorade bath going on. Pack number 2. We have Tyler O'Neill, Justin Smoke, Shohei Ohtani, Rookie Cup, Giancarlo Stanton. Okay, so this one's backwards. So it is a short print. Look, he's holding a Christmas box there. Now, I'm not sure if this is the regular short print or super short print. I haven't looked at all of these yet. There's 3 different kinds of short prints. There's holiday variation short print, rare holiday variation, and super rare holiday. So, for those of you who know which one this is, good. I'll have to look it up later, but it is Shohei Ohtani, so you can see the difference. Here's the regular, and here he is holding a Christmas present. Forgot where I was in here. Justin Smoke. Where's the rest? Okay, here we go. Sorry. Rafael Devers, Miguel Cabrera, Carter Kaboom, Jose Abreu, and the Panda Pablo Sandoval. Again, I know this one's from the base set. Just the way he's jumping, he looks very athletic. For those of you who know Panda. Okay, pack number 3. Matt Chapman, DJ LeMahieu, Blake Snell, Luis Arias. Got a nice sparkly, can't tell if you can tell in the picture here, it's metal sparkles here. Alex Verdugo, Francisco Lindor, UC Kikuchi, Jorge Polanco, David Dahl, and Renato Nunez. Number 4, we have Anthony Rizzo, Nate Lau, I'm not quite sure, Kirby Yates, Yasmani Grandal, and it looks like my hit was a basic, nothing too fancy. I mean, try to make it look like a gift, but Jose Ramirez. It's a little disappointed in that one, but did get the Shohei Ohtani super short print, not sure which one yet. Kevin Pillar, Victor Robles, and Ozzie Albies. Okay. Austin Meadows, Noah Syndergaard, Thor, Martin Corbin, CC Sabathia, Griffin Canning, and another sparkly D. Gordon. Didn't realize he was still playing. I did, but Chris Bryant, the Franimal. He was traded mid-season to the Indians, so here's a card with him in the Indians to the Padres. Franmil Reyes, German Marquez, and Juan Soto Rookie Cup. Again, that's a same picture from the base set. There we go. Lorenzo Cain, Taylor Clark, Jeff McNeil, good rookie card there. Juan Moncada, Scott Kingery, Adam Jones, CJ Cron, Gleyber Torres, Rookie Cup. It's a good crop of second-year players. Trent Thornton, and Christian Yelich. Yelich? Is it Yelich or Yelich? I've heard it both ways, but I don't know. Okay, ooh, nice one. Aaron Judge. Tyro Estrada. Freddie Freeman. Nicky Lopez. Got a sparkly, you can see the sparkles there. David Peralta. Jason Hayward. Bryce Harper. Cole Hamels. Elvis Andrews. And a rookie card here, Fernando Tatis Jr. 3 more packs. So, I mean, it's a neat idea. A little exclusive to Walmart, so harder to get. Mitch Hanigar. Brian Dozier. Yasiel Puig. With the Indians. Chris Davis. The base set. And especially, I mean, this one, it kind of looks like this one's painted to me. John Duplantier. Ooh. This one's turned around. Oh, hoo, hoo. Again. Okay, let me compare this one to there. Well, I'm looking for the. Okay, this one was turned around. He's got a Christmas tree in the background. They are both 7063. The back, so I'm guessing these are the base short prints. But either way, 2 of the better ones in that set, I'm guessing, I'm sure. Again, I'm not too familiar with the checklist yet. But a Mike Trout short print. Very excited with that, considering my hit was just Jose Ramirez. But, ooh, Trey Turner. Billy Hamilton. Nolan Arenado. George Springer. Really gonna take a look at that bad boy right there. Dominic Smith. Maikel Franco. Nomar Mazara. Eloy Jimenez. Rookie card there. Orlando Arcia. Spencer Turnbull. Austin Allen. Okay. 6-4. So I got another short print of sorts, I'm guessing. Here, I'm trying to. Oh, he's got candy cane in the back pocket. And this is. These are 6-3. The Trout and Otani. This one's in 6-4. So this is probably the super rare holiday variation of Anthony Rizzo. The super rares are 1 in 161. Or not rare, sorry, rare is 1 in 20. Super rare is 161, so I'm guessing that ends in 6.5, and the regular short prints are 1 and 7, so it's a good box for short prints. I'm liking it. Didn't think it was going to start out well after Ryan Helsley, after the Jose Ramirez, David Price. So super excited for these. I'll get up and jump around and dance when I get to pull a nice Trout auto out of one of these. Clint Frazier, Jake Odorizzi, Mike Yastrzemski, Justin Verlander, Harold Ramirez. Did get a nice sparkly one. This one's the Mookie Betts. The sparkly metal Ahmad Rosario, Edwin Diaz, Edwin Encarnacion, and Francisco Mejia. So, didn't think it was going to go too well after, third pack. I got a Jose Ramirez basic cloth jersey relic, but turned out pretty well. So, recap on some of the better ones for this pack. In terms of base, a good mix of rookies, second-year players. Not pulling them all out, just a few to share, and I'll run through them real quick. So in terms of base cards, some of the highlights include Juan Soto, Jeff McNeil, Gleyber Torres, Christian Yelich, Aaron Judge, Bryce Harper, Fernando Tatis Jr. rookie card there, Base Ohtani, Eloy Jimenez, and a Mike Yastrzemski rookie card. The autograph for Relic is it's a decent looking card, nothing too special though. I mean, just swatch there. Jose Ramirez parallels. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a little extra in here. These are all metallics, snowflakes. Jorge Soler, Alex Verdugo, D. Gordon. I can only give you 5, sorry. David Peralta and Mookie Betts. But what makes this box special is I got not 1, not 2, but 3 short prints. 2, I'm assuming, are the basic short prints, but good players, good cards to have. Obviously, anytime you get a Mike Trout short print, that's always nice. Show Ohtani, same thing. Just took the pictures and photoshopped in some GIFs. And I got a super rare short print. I'm assuming this one is of Anthony Rizzo. See, he's got the candy cane sticking in his back pocket. So I did like this one. I ended up liking it. Didn't think I was going to do after the first 3 or 4 packs. So anyway, thank you for watching.